All right, so in this video, instead of taking one single log and rewriting it as expanding it out into three different logs, all right, I'm going to take a couple of pieces and condense them down to one logarithm. All right, I'm going to rewrite this as just one log. And by the way, you can only do this if they have the same base. Like here, we're assuming they're both the same base. This is actually base 10. So since we have the sum of two logs, I can rewrite that as the log of a product. So I could rewrite these as the log of 2x times 5x. All right, and then you can just actually multiply these two pieces since they're both inside the parentheses now. All right, this will be the log of 10x squared. That's it. All right, I've condensed it down to one logarithm. All right, we'll do one more example here. We'll do the log of 8 minus 2 log of 6 plus the log of 3. All right, so whenever you've got several pieces, the sign of whatever the coefficient is kind of important. This one is a positive, this one's a negative, and this one's a positive. You want to group all your positives and negatives, okay? So when you've got several terms here, all right, you want to keep stuff in line, all right? Positives and negatives are going to be important here. All right, group all the positive stuff together and group all the negative stuff together. So these two, I can just rewrite as log 8 plus the log of 3. All right, just rearranging terms. And then minus, for this one, since I've got 2 times the log of 6, if I'm rewriting it using my exponent rule in reverse, whatever this number is that's being multiplied by the log is just going to show up as a power here. So I could rewrite this as log of 6 to the second power. All right, the reason that I'm grouping all the positive and negative stuff is because these are going to represent the pieces of my numerator. And then this over here, the negative stuff, is going to be the pieces of my denominator. All right, because that division rule, the subtraction to division rule, is all of this stuff divided by all of this stuff. Subtraction represents division, I guess. And positive stuff is going to represent multiplication, kind of. All right, so these two I can group together as log of 8 times 3. And, well, yeah, I'll just do it in steps here. Log of 8 times 3 minus the log of 36. And then we could rewrite this as the log of 24 divided by 36. All right, 24, and then this is my division part of 36. And I guess what I could do is simplify this fraction. 24 over 36 will be 2/3. And that's it. All right, took all of this stuff and condensed it down to one logarithm.